Hey, it's Ken with the Gutter Boys, and I am in a dumpster. So I'm actually in our scrap dumpster. You can see, just got emptied out, luckily. Well, kind of unluckily. I'm able to get in here, but obviously I don't see too much stuff. But I did find, kind of, as I'm scraping around and kicking around, I did find a few things that will be interesting. So we get gutter guards from time to time that we uninstall. Actually, a lot of them. We uninstall gutter guards from people's houses that just don't work, right? So there's two ways to protect your gutters. We really believe here at the Gutter Boys. Number one, you should get your gutters cleaned. Get them cleaned 2, 3, 4 times a year to get them really protected. Also, if you want to clean them, but then also install gutter guards, that's a great way to protect them as well, because then you'll not get any debris in the gutter system at all, right? You may have to clean the top of them from time to time, but we really believe in getting the gutters cleaned and or getting gutter guards installed. But from time to time, we do get other types of gutter guards that we uninstall. So today, I'm gonna show you. This first one is kind of like a helmet type of nose forward gutter guard. Got this wire mesh from like Home Depot. Got a flat deck, really closing off the surface area. And then I got a couple of these little plastic guys. So the moral of the story is you're always going to have to do something. Even if you get really good gutter guards, which our Valor gutter guards are really the best in the country, they're going to keep everything out of your gutters. But they may get some debris on the top of them from time to time. They may get something in the valleys, or behind splash guards. Those are just realities, right? We're just being honest with you. So we are big believers in getting your gutters clean. We're also big believers in getting your gutters covered. But if you need any type of recurring maintenance, the Gutter Boys is the company for you. Ken with the Gutter Boys in Cleveland, in a dumpster. Thanks.